Scenario planning usually starts with spreadsheet work, but business questions rarely wait for models to be rebuilt. When leadership asks a new question, finance teams often have to duplicate assumptions, create new versions of the model, update drivers manually, and rebuild comparisons before the analysis can even begin. Drive AI turns scenario planning into a conversational workflow. My CEO messages me, "What happens if we freeze sales hiring for the rest of the year? We were originally planning to hire around 20 more reps until the end of the year." Instead of opening models, adjusting hiring assumptions manually, and rebuilding scenarios, I ask Drive AI directly. I start typing, "There's a hiring freeze on sales reps for rest of the year. How does this impact revenue?" Drive AI analyzed the planning model, traced how a sales rep hiring freeze would impact capacity, ARR, rebuilt the expected headcount growth plan, and re-ran the analysis. It ultimately showed that holding headcount flat at 107 through year-end would reduce new ARR and total revenue by approximately $16 million and $5 million respectively versus plan. Back in the model, the new scenario is already created. Drive AI automatically compares the hiring freeze against the base plan and quantifies the impact across quota capacity, ARR, and revenue. Because the scenario remains connected to the underlying financial model, every downstream metric updates automatically, giving me a complete view of the business impact in seconds. Finance teams can move from business questions to modeled outcomes much faster. Instead of spending time rebuilding scenarios, they can spend time evaluating decisions. That's conversational scenario planning in Drivetrain. Ask business questions naturally and model outcomes instantly.